This is an AI-powered diagnostic revolution. MUCAR BT200 Max, a CAN-FD-compatible tool that offers lifetime free diagnostics. AI in MUCAR BT200 Max isn't just an assistant. It's your repair think tank. Punch in the model and fault code, and instantly access repair cases with step-by-step guidance. You can even integrate these solutions into AI chat as your diagnostic database. Diagnostic data and reports can be analyzed and interpreted through AI. No more guessing. Covers over 98% of vehicle makes and models. From basic functions to actuator tests, and 15 maintenance services are supported. MUCAR BT200 Max works with all major protocols: OBDII, EOBD, CAN-FD, ELM327, GM-LAN, MS-CAN. Just plug in and diagnose. It features Bluetooth 5.2 for fast connections with smart sleep mode. Includes voltage surge protection, designed for all car owners. No experts needed. Simple, efficient. MUCAR BT200 Max gets to the heart of every diagnosis, with lifetime free AI power at your fingertips.